So now this is what Claude Fable 5 has created for me in couple of prompts, and even it didn't hit the 5-hour limit on the minimum plan. This is a content factory that it has created me, so I can just drop a transcript from either my videos, live calls, or whatever, and it is straight away building a campaign which is making 5 Instagram contents, 5 carousels, 5 reels, 5 LinkedIn carousels, 5 X posts, and 5 TikTok reels that I can publish. You can see them here from one long form. And I can put reference images that it can use. It uses OpenAI API key for the cover images that it has generated. And these are the cover images that has generated. These are perfect images. And when we go to campaign history, you can see that each day I have the full content pack here. This is day 1. This is the carousel of Instagram. And you can see how good is the images. This is the slides and everything, and in the end I have a CTA, and this is the Instagram caption here that I can use straight away. This is the LinkedIn caption, and this is the LinkedIn carousel PDF that I can download and expose here. And also here we have the reel that it has created, so it is generating a reel straight away from the same carousel with some music background. And straight away it is going and turning all of the slides of the reel. And everyone can see the value in the reel. And in the end we have the CTA. And that's it. It is engaging, good reel. And we have it for every day. And I made it with a couple of prompts that I'm going to show you in this video. And I've tested Fable 5 as well in a couple of other tests. You can see they are a bit more stupid tests, but anyway, it was fun. And you will see also how the testing model made the mistake, but the Fable 5 didn't. So stay tuned and watch the video. So I'm choosing Fable here on low effort, and I will bypass permissions. And also let's check first the usage. So I have 0% usage. I am on a pro plan now, and 0% weekly limit. So let's see how it's gonna do if I prepare a prompt that will make it go and look all of my systems, so content system, website, memory brain, the company that I'm running, content assets, and etc. Everything about me and my business that I'm running, and to find places and platforms and everything that it can do in order to automate everything. So it has to go through all documents that are going to be more than hundreds. Then it has to come with a report or with some proposal what we can automate from all of these things, and how exactly it will make me to work less time throughout my day and achieve more and be more efficient, and in the same time to be able to reach my goal, 1,000 members or 2,000 members. So let's see, let me prepare the prompt with my custom GPT. So this is a prompt, it's a long one. It says about me, and the objective will be to make 100,000 recurring monthly revenue, requiring no more than 2 to 3 hours. So I'm giving it something really hard, and let's see how it's gonna handle this task. So it's gonna load all of the memory and everything, and let's see if my 5-hour limit and my weekly limit is gonna be enough for it. I'm gonna let it run now, and I will come back when it finishes, so to see how long it's gonna run and what it will be produce and what kind of AI workflows and repeatable processes and etc. it will suggest me to do. Now it's been 3 minutes. It has analyzed everything and made me a plan, and in this markdown file there are straight away automate here, long form video, transcript, repurpose, and etc., comments, new email subscribers, school trials, member cancels, all of these things, and content production systems. So everything that it has built in these 3 minutes, now I'm gonna tell it to build a command center, and to build it that from one place I'm gonna be able to control everything, and all of the automations has to be there as well. So this is my vague prompt, so it is making it a better prompt. I'm gonna use the plan mode now so it can ask me some questions, and then let's see if it's gonna be able to generate all of the automations that it has mentioned, because it mentioned a lot of automations that maybe it can build them with some scripts or can suggest me how to build them in N8N. So I'm gonna tell it just to use open router, because I can just switch models wherever I want. It has already used 12% of my plan and 78,000 tokens, but it still didn't code at anything. Created the plan, and I'm gonna accept the plan, and in auto mode I will leave it to work. Now, while it is building my automations and my dashboard, I want to go and open a new session, and I'm gonna open a new folder so we can do the tests that ChatGPT suggested. Okay, so one would be the memory test. I'm gonna give it 30 facts about fake people, 30 to 50 facts, and then I'm gonna start asking some questions. So I'm gonna give it this so it can remember them, and we have the right answers. Okay, ready for my questions now. Now we're gonna start asking these questions. There are gonna be 10 questions one after another, and it has to give the correct answers. So let's just put them side by side and start asking the questions. Let's see if it's gonna be able to answer all of them. Chloe, Grace, Liam, Ruby, Yusuf. Okay, this is right. One. Okay, this one is right as well. Let's see the third one. Okay, is right as well. Let's see the fourth question. Okay, pilot, Ruby, lawyer. Okay, the question, until now, all of the questions, it is giving true answers. Okay, Alice, Slav, Peter, Violet, Caleb. Okay, corrects how many? 5 people. Okay, then let's see this question. Till now, 6 of 6. Fix, Katie, Queen, Xenia, Ben. That's good. Let's see the 7th question. Newcastle and Plymouth. That's good. 7 of 7. Let's see the 8th question. Alice and Noah. No workers own bicycles. Okay, this is right as well. Let's see the 9th question. Daniel and Umar. Black car engineer. Okay, black Umar as well. That's good. And 10th question. Without rereading the list, answer who lives in city beginning with letter B and owns my motorcycle or scooter. Okay, let's Ben, Harry, Ruby. So it has maybe made a mistake. Let's see. Or ChatGPT itself made a mistake. So let's see. Harry, Ben, and Ruby. Ben and Ruby are right. But Harry, white motorcycle pilot. Let's see if Harry has motorcycle. Owns white motorcycle and works as a pilot. So you can see even now on question 10, ChatGPT, it is writing the questions and it gives the wrong answer. Okay, let's the next parts of the questions. So for now, Claude is 10 from 10, and ChatGPT has made a mistake that in the questionnaire that it is making the questions even. Okay, now I'm gonna say this now. Forget Bella works as an accountant. Bella is now a scientist. Noah moved to Bath, Belfast, and etc. So let's see. Okay, and who are the scientists? Let's Katie, Violet, Bella. Okay, who owns vehicles? Let's see. Until now, Claude is doing perfect. Even ChatGPT is making mistakes. Alice, Asla, Peter, Violet, Caleb, and Liam. Okay, and C is who owns motorcycles. Ben, Harry, Mia, Violet, Xenia, Bella, and Liam. Okay, all of them are good now. One thing that I'm gonna tell ChatGPT now is that it made a mistake here on question 10. Let me tell it. On question 10, you made a mistake. Can you tell me what it is? The correct answers are not these. It missed Mia. Let's see. So Mia lives in York, but maybe after the change. Let's see. No. It is making even more mistakes. Ben, Harry, and Ruby. Yeah. So itself made the mistakes. So anyway, Fable is really good in this. So we saw that ChatGPT 5.5 is making mistakes, but here on test 1, Fable really good. This quick test then. So I'm gonna ask this. Acme had revenue of 120 million. Company reported annual revenue of 130 million. Create investor summary. So I can't resolve for you. Okay, straight away found the contradiction. Okay, key takeaways. Let's see what it has built me, because it has finished with building the application, and how much we have used. 64% of my 4 hour, 147,000 tokens, only 7% from the weekly. Okay, let's see. Command center. I'm gonna double click start dashboard, and it has to start it. Okay, we have dashboard now. Today, tasks, title, content, next actions, available minutes. That's a really good one. Content pipeline, transcript to YouTube package. Okay, members, names, handle, and etc. Trial, browse files, import from school CSV report. And I haven't mentioned almost anything. Revenue and leads. Teach your agent your tool stack. Okay, you can build curriculum even. Very well taught, and it has built it straight away. Okay, let's see. So now, what does it says? We have a dashboard. We have 4 automations wired. Transcript to package, repurposing daily planner, curriculum builder, or versioned prompt files that embed your hard rules. But I'm pretty impressed, because this is the most expensive model, and it has been able to build this. Do not look on the design side. Even the design is simple and good, that you can see all of the thought that it put in it. And we have the pipeline, we have the transcript, we have the repurpose and stuff. This is really, really good one. Let me put one transcript inside. Okay, I have the transcript. So let me generate the YouTube package. So we will see. I'm gonna say raw phone video to. Okay, let me no OpenAI key. And it was using, let me see the logs. Claude Sonnet. Yeah, so it's Claude Sonnet. So let's see how it's gonna generate the full package. Okay, package saved. Title ideas. I gave my AI agent. Okay, SEO. The full description is here. Timestamps. Times good. Pinned comment. Tags. Thumbnail ideas. 5 short clip ideas. Okay, 5 link posts. Post 1. Post 2. Post 3. Post 4. Post 5. 5x posts. 5 Instagram captions. School discussion post. Okay. Behind this. Okay, this is good. And how much I have left? Plan 68%. Okay. And I just paste the prompt, and let's see how it's gonna perform. If it builds everything into the system, it's gonna be really good, really crazy. I'm gonna come back when it's done, or if it hits the rate limit. So we will see. Okay, it has the whole system, and after that, after my request, it has been able to install some codecs and etc. and to generate slides, carousel PDF for LinkedIn, and real video. I haven't checked them, but straight away I've asked how to use the system. It told me, and I saw that in one place I have to make some edit, and I just made the edits and told it to use GPT image 2 for the cover images. And now I've put my OpenAI key and everything. So I have given it the transcript of my latest video, and I just said Codex AI agent to edit your content and plan 5-day campaign. I'm gonna drop one of my image, And let's see if it's gonna use these references. Okay, it's gonna use this one. So my face, it started to work, and let's see how good they are gonna be, because I haven't checked them, but always we can tweak them and make them better. Till now I'm really impressed. One of my members told me to test Fable because I am using usually Codex for all of my tasks and everything, and I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, covers preview, which shows the previews that I can see the full covers. These are the covers, edit once, template it. But now I can see that it has to generate the text on the cover with the prompt as well. Okay, so this was the campaign covers that it has created, and also it has created the reuse that I'm gonna show you now. So we can see in the content system campaigns, and you can see all of the days. The lead magnet is here, and let's say day 4. This is the Instagram cover and the templates, but you can see the problems are that the text is overflowing and the image is not being used properly. So now, and the last slide is comment agent, which is really good. We have the LinkedIn carousel with PDF. We have the reel here. As you can see, when we open it, it straight away goes like this and switches. The slides, even maybe on each switch we can make some transition or something. But anyway, what I'm gonna do now is gonna build them again, because now what I have changed is it has to build the cover completely with prompt from GPT image 1, and then the rest of the slides are gonna be made by using some coding language. So the only money that I'm gonna spend is gonna be on the cover images. That's it. So let's see how it's gonna perform. Okay, it has the full campaign. Now if you generate it again, we have the campaign history. This is the lead magnet, so you can download it. Let me download it and see what it has included in the lead magnet, and is it styled. So let's see. Okay, this is good. It has the heading, step 1, step 2, step 3. And as I can see, everything is from the video, and we have the next step, which is forwarding to the community. Okay, day 1. This is really good. This cover is really good now. Comes a branded reel. Okay, you want the free guide agent. That's good. IG captions, LinkedIn captions, X post, and LinkedIn carousel PDF. Straight away that I can download. This is day 1. Day 2, same thing, LinkedIn carousel, and this is the reel. Let's see the reel. Okay, why it's not loading? This is on my PC. It's not even in internet. Okay, we have music on the background. The slides are going on. That's really good and getting some attention. Perfect. Day 4, day 5, everything is ready. So this is how from one transcript of my long form video, you can use the same way. For example, if you record some meeting transcript, you can give it some live call transcript from someone, or you can just record yourself as you are thinking. Let's say you can put your recording on and you can just think about the things out loud and give this transcript to your agent, and it will generate contents from it. So while you are walking somewhere or just working out, and you can talk to the recorder, give this transcript to your agent, and it will generate straight away full week of content for you without any effort. And this has been built with Fable 5, which is really, really good. I'm really impressed with it. I think this video will be helpful for you, so you can see what Fable 5 can do. In the beginning we started with some stupid tests, but after that it has made a really good job by creating me this command center like content factory. So I'm gonna definitely improve and test it more. This is gonna be it. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.